Have you ever tried making your own Rice Krispie treats at home? They're definitely fun to make, but I compared the price of buying Rice Krispies, marshmallows, and butter, and this actually might even be cheaper than buying the pieces together. Let me show you what one looks like. I got the package of 40 because who am I kidding? But what I like about this is, you know, they come individually wrapped. And they're great for your lunches when you go into the office or to give your child when they go to school for their lunchbox. And because they're pre-packaged, they're really easy to ration yourself to have like one or two a day. The disadvantage is that they're very easy to walk into the kitchen and grab a pack, especially if the Rice Krispies are just for you. But this is what one looks like. It's absolutely delicious.